Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in, so start by opening Github. And navigate directly to the repository you need. Once there, make sure you're on the main branch or the exact branch you want to link. This matters because the URL points to the current view. You'll see the repo name at the top. Note whether it's public or private since that changes who can access it. Now focus on the address bar and the repository header controls to prepare the actual link. Once on the page, look at the browser address bar. That URL is the primary link to share. If you want a specific file or folder, click into it and wait for the address to update. Branches and commits change the path, so switch to the desired branch first and then copy. Alternatively, click the green code button to get HTTPS or SSH clone URLs. Use HTTPS for general sharing and SSH for developer access. Make sure the URL ends with the right path before copying. Copy the link, select the address bar and copy, or press the copy icon under code to capture HTTPS/SSH. Then paste it where you need: email, chat, or issue. Once done, test the link in a private browser to confirm visibility. If it fails, check repo visibility and collaborator invites. If it's private, add the person as a collaborator or generate a temporary access token for automation. If cloning fails, confirm you used HTTPS versus SSH and that your keys or credentials are set up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.